Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that some of you may have encountered after updating your macOS to the latest Sequoia version. So, here's the scoop. You've recently made the big leap to Sequoia, but unfortunately, after doing so, your trusty Xcode 15 decided to throw in the towel and refuse to run. Talk about a classic tech hiccup. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. Here's the deal. Xcode 15 versions are not officially supported on macOS Sequoia. However, fear not. There's a neat workaround that can get your Xcode 15 up and running smoothly on your macOS Sequoia. Simply follow these steps. Locate your Xcode 15 app. Right-click on it, choose Show Package Contents, navigate to Contents, then macOS, and finally, double-click on the Xcode file. Voila! Your Xcode 15 should spring back to life and be good to go. In summary, we've tackled the problem of Xcode 15 refusing to run on macOS Sequoia by using a clever workaround that involves a few simple steps. Now you can get back to coding and developing without skipping a beat. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your favorite coding joke. Happy coding, and until next time.